I can convert between explicit and recursive equations for arithmetic and geometric sequences. For the following explicit equations, write a recursive equation. Okay, so we have this equation here. All right, remember that for an explicit, this is geometric, right? Because I've got the first term times the common ratio to the n minus 1 power. So my first term is 20. Right, if I plugged 1 in there, I would get negative 2 to the 0 power, which 20 times anything to the 0 power is just 20. So what would the next term be? Well, to find t of n, I take the previous term and I just multiply it by the common ratio, which is negative 2. That's it. Multiply by negative 2, because that's the common ratio. This one looks like we have an arithmetic sequence. So we've got the first term plus the common difference times n minus 1. First term is 18, so term 1 is 18. Okay. And what are we adding or subtracting each time? Well, our common difference, which is 90. So we're going to have plus 90. Right, to get the next term, we take the previous term and just add 90 to it. That's what this recursive equation is telling me. All right, now I think we're going to do the opposite. For the following recursive equations, write an explicit equation. Okay, so let's see here. We have the first term is negative 3. To get the next term, we're multiplying by a negative 5. So this is geometric. So this is my common ratio. This is my first term. That's all I need to write an explicit formula. I take the first term, negative 3, times the common ratio, which is negative 0.5 to the n minus 1 power. First term times the common ratio to the n minus 1 power. All right, so we have the first term is 400, and this is a arithmetic recursive formula. So that means that this negative 8 is the common difference. I take the previous term and I subtract 8. So the common difference is negative 8. And my first term is 400. So we're going to use this. I take the first term, which is 400. I add the common difference, but the common difference is a negative 8. So we're just going to put minus 8 times n minus 1. And you can either leave it like that, or you could simplify it down, and this would end up being negative 8n plus 8. So you could have 408 minus 8n. Either one of these is fine. Okay, same answer.